Good morning, students. Today I will continue exercise number 3. I'll show the question here. If we subtract 22 from 3 times a number, we get 68. Find the number. So, once or twice you have to read the question. Then you will understand what he given here. Okay. The question is, if we subtract 22 from 3 times a number, we get 68. So here the number he doesn't give. So let the number be. The question number is fourth one. Let the number be. Let the number be x. So we are assuming the number is x. 3 times of a number. 3 times of a number. Three times of a number. Times means what I said now, you have to multiply. 3 times of a number means 3 into x. 3 into x you can write as 3x. So what he said, if we subtract 22 from 3 times of a number. So from 3 times of a number you have to subtract 22. Means you are getting 3x minus 22. So what you got here? If we get 68. So from 3 times of a number, if you subtract 22, the result you got as 68. This entire they given in question itself. By reading that, you will understand this one. Okay. Now, 3x minus 22 is equal to 68 is an equation. By reading the question, you formed an equation. Then next what you have to do, you have to solve the equation. So, I said what is the meaning of solving? Solve means you have to find the value of variable. So 3x you have to keep it here only. After is equal to in RHS you have 68 minus 22 you have to bring to right hand side. So 68 plus 2 70 plus 20 that is 90. So you got 3x is equals to 90. You have to make x as subject. So that 90 will go to numerator, 3 will come to the denominator. And in 3 table 3 ones are 3 30s are. So you got x value as 30. What is x? The number be 30 degrees. So he asked to find the number and we got the number. Next what you have to do? Checking. You should do checking. So what is checking means 3 times of a number means 3 30s are how much here? 90. So from 90 you have to subtract how much? 22. From 10 if you subtract 2 you are getting 8. 9 already you borrowed 1, 8 will be there, 8 minus 2 is 6. So from 3 times of a number if you subtract 22 you got 68 means the number is 30. So you got LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is checked. Okay. For these problems you should know first English and mathematical terms meanings you have to know, and you should know how to do simplifications. Then cancellations you can understand and you can do the problems with your own. Okay. Now I can't say all the problems. Okay. Some I had to give as homework. So one more we'll try it. Sixth question. Fifth is find the number when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. See here. Find the number when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3. So fifth question, number you have to find. So let the number be what you have to assume. Let the number be x. You have to find the number. That number you are assuming as x. Okay. Then when multiplied by 7, this number after multiplying with 7 you will get as 7x. The number is multiplied by 7 means 7 into x, 7x. And then reduced by 3. And then reduced by 3 means you have to subtract 3 from this. And equal to he given 53. See, question if you read perfectly, you will come to know how to write the equation. Okay. Fifth question, find the number when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. So number is multiplied by 7 means 7 into x, reduced by 3 means you have to subtract 3 from 7x, and the result is 53. Now what you have to do, solving of the equations already you done in previous exercise, exercise number 2. So numbers, constants to one side, variables to one side. Minus 3 is what? A constant. You have to take to right hand side. So 7x is equals to 53 plus 3. 7x is equals to 56. So if you make 7x as subject, 7 will go to RHS and it divides the 56. 7 table if you read, 7 8 is the 56. How much you got here? X is equals to 8 you got it. So whether this 8 is true or false, right or wrong, if you want to know it, what you have to do is, this is 7, this 8 should be multiplied with 7. 7 into 8. How much you are getting? 7 8 is 56. And from this product you have to subtract 3. 56 minus 3. You are getting 53. The result is 53. So LHS is equals to RHS. Hence verified. Okay. Now we will go to the next problem. So reading of the problem is very, very important. Next, sixth question. What is sixth question? See it. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3, find the numbers. So let one number be x. Let one number be x. One number you are assuming as x. So the other number exceeds this number by 3. Exceeds means it is more. So how much it is more? 3 more than the previous number. See here, we have two numbers. One number exceeds the other by 3. Means for one number if you add 3 you are getting another number. Okay. Their sum means the two numbers if you add, how much you are getting? You are getting 95 as answer. Sum means addition or not. One number is x, other number is x plus 3. Both you have to do addition. The sum you got as 95. Then what you have to do? It is x, it is x. These two are called like terms. For one x, if you add another x, you are getting 2x. Like chocolate plus chocolate. Chocolate plus chocolate, you can write 2 chocolates or not. Like 2x plus 3 is equals to 95. Here you should understand that for 2x you can't add plus 3. See, 2 books are there, 3 biscuits are there. 2 books, 3 biscuits. Add them. So you can't say 5. 5 biscuits you can't say, 5 books you can't say. So we can't add them. Why we can't add them? Because they are unlike terms. So 2x plus 3 you have to leave like that only. And this becomes one simple equation. So in exercise 1 and 2 you know about simple equations. So you have to solve the equations here now. So for solving, what I said, you have to bring constants to one side, variables to one side. So 2x is equals to, already here you have 95, plus 3 will go to this side and it becomes minus 3. So 2x is equals to 92. X is equals to 92 by 2. So 92 you should divide with the 2. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 take down. 2 6 are 12. So you are getting 46. 2 46 are 92. You got one number as 46. To get other number is x plus 3 or not? Means x means how much here? 46. 46 plus 3 is how much? 49. So the two numbers are, one is 46, the other is 49. If you add 46 and 49, how much you are getting? 9 plus 6, 15, 5, 1, 9, 95 you are getting. Their sum is 95, yes or no? What is the difference between these two numbers? 46 plus 3 is equal to 49, means difference is 3. Sum is 95. So you got same answer. It is verified. So you have to do problem like this. Okay. X is equal to 46. I want other number. One number is X 46. To get other number 46 plus 3 I have to do 49. I got it. This entire is verification. Verification means the two numbers difference. From 49 if you subtract 46 you are getting 3. Difference is given 3. And if you add 46 and 49 you are getting 95. Sum they given as 95. So hence it is verified and this problem is correct. Next seventh question, if you will see it. Sum of three consecutive integers is 24. Find the integers. So consecutive integers. First integers means number line you have to draw. Middle 0 will be there. Right side positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. And left side you have -1, -2, -3 like this. So how many will be there means infinity. This side infinity, this side infinity. They are called integers. These numbers are called integers. Three consecutive integers. Consecutive means side by side. See, 2 is there. What is the consecutive integer for 2 means? For 2 you have to add 1. 3. 2 and 3 are called two consecutive integers. So 3 consecutive integers means one more you have to write. 2, 3, 4. You can write 1, 2, 3. You can write 0, 1, 2. So how they should be means they should be differs by 1. Okay, like that 3 consecutive means 3 side by side numbers. Side by side numbers will be differentiate by only 1. That's it. Okay. Now you have to solve this problem. Let one integer be x. So let one integer be x. Then the next two consecutive integers are, see here, one number is x. Its next consecutive integer becomes x plus 1 only or not? And its next becomes what? For this again add 1, x plus 2. So x, x plus 1, x plus 2. These three are x, x plus 1, x plus 2 are three consecutive integers. So consecutive meaning is very important for you. You have to remember. So what is consecutive integer for 5 means? 5, 6 you can write. 4, 5 you can write it. Okay. 4, 5 are consecutive integers. 5, 6 also consecutive integers. Consecutive means side by side. Now these three are consecutive integers. What he given in the question? Their sum is 24. So x, wherever comma is there, there you have to write plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equals to 24. So how many like terms are there? See, x. X means just now I said one dairy milk chocolate. One chocolate, one chocolate, one chocolate. How many chocolates are there? 3 chocolates are there. 1 plus 2, again 3 is equals to 24. For this 3x, you can't add these 3. I said already 3 dairy milk chocolates. 3 fans or 3 sheds. Okay. Can we add these 2? We can't add. 3x plus 3, you can't add. You have to leave like that only. This becomes one equation. So if equation is there, you can solve it. Solving means what I said, numbers to one side, variables to one side. 3x is variable, 24 is a number, plus 3 is transposing to this side, minus 3. Then from 24, if you subtract 3, you are getting 21. 3 times x is equal to 21. X value if you want 21. 3 is here multiplying. If you take to this, it will divide. 3 table you have to read. 3 7 is 21. So how much you got? X is equal to 7. X7 means one number, one integer is x, 7. Its next two integers will be 7 after 8, 8 after 9. So 7, 8, 9 are three consecutive integers. So their sum, if you add these three, you should get as 24. 7 plus 8 is how much? 15. 15 plus 9 is how much? 24. So if you add, you are getting 24 or not. So it is the problem. Now, so remaining you try it. So once I'll say 10th question. 10th problem I'll say here now. After 15 years, Hema's age will become 4 times that of her present age. Find her present age. So once I'll show to you the question. After 15 years, Hema's age will become 4 times that of her present age. Find her present age. So find her present age given or not. Find the number means that number you assumed as x. Now he is asking to find her present age. So you have to write let her present age be x years. Present age means now how many years. See, if your age is let it be 13 years. Now present age of you is 13 years. So after 3 years, after 3 years means now it is 13. Okay, 13. After 3 years 16 or not? 14, 15, 16. Means for this present age you have to add the 3. 13 plus 3. How much you will get it? 16 years. So after 3 years your age 16 years. After 10 years your age. Now if it is 13, after 10 years 13 plus 10. So 23 years. Like that you have to write. Now after 15 years her age after 15 years 15 plus x, isn't it? So will become 4 times of that her present age. So here this 15 plus x value how much you will get it? Now present age if you multiply with 4 also will be same, he said. If you read the question, he said that after 15 years Hema's age will become, so after 15 years her age becomes what? 15 plus x. 4 times of that her present age. Present age is x, 4 times it becomes. So 15 plus x is equals to x into 4. So 15 plus x same, x into 4 you can write as 4x. This is called simple equation. This is called simple equation. What you have to do? Variables to one side, numbers to one side. I already said to you. Okay. Then plus x take to that side. Here 15 is there. Already right hand side 4x is there. Plus x you are transposing to this side minus x. From 4x, if you subtract 1x, you are getting 3x is equals to 15. 3x is equal to 15. I want the value of x. 3 is multiplying here. If you bring to this side, it will divide. 3 1s are 3 5s are. You got x is equals to 5. So present age of Hema is 5 years. Now verification or checking will be there or not. Checking means now present age is 5 years. After 15 years her age becomes what? Means 15 plus 5. How much it becomes? 20 years. So this is nothing but present age is 5. If you multiply with 4 also you will get same age. 4 5s are how much here? 20. Present age you multiplied by 4, how much you will get it? Present age after 15 years also you will get a same age. Present age is 5 means after 15 years her age will be 20. Now present age if you multiply with 4 also you are getting 20. So the problem is verified. Okay.